Alright, here's my little golfer with the new clubs Grandpa got him. Good job, bud. Okay, hit the next ball. And the next. Hit the next ball. Yay! Good job. Oh, we need our iron? Okay. Okay, go hit the balls. They're in the kitchen. Go get them. Good job.